Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be making Zürbiye Tatlısı. It's a Turkish from Umurbey, Gemlik. My grandmother, Nuriye, Alpcetinin. My grandmother used to make this. So I want to try it. Well, I've been making Zürbiye Tatlısı for some time now, but I wanted to do a video about it because there's nothing there. So I'm just going to make a little small batch. So 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of water, just regular water. Okay, so I'm going to turn the heat on. And then I'm going to be putting, I would say flour. I'm just trying to figure out because I don't want to make a big batch. So I would say 2 cup of flour, and olive oil. You need to fry this in olive oil. Okay, I need 2 eggs. So I'm gonna have this a little bit. I don't want to boil it yet, and so add 1. I'm gonna mix this. My grandmother, Nuriye, my father's mother, this was her dish. Yep, because people used to come and visit her a lot. And then one day she said, my wrist hurts so much, can you help me? I said, of course. So we went to the kitchen, so she gave me the recipe. This is her recipe. Okay, and lots of, well, I'm not using a blender. You can use a blender if you want, but I'm just making a small batch, and I wanted to share this with you. So I would say 2 cups of flour. Keep on stirring, okay, until it boils. You will notice that it's boiling. And I'm just going to add a little bit of starch. Yeah, I don't think she added, but I will add just a little bit of starch. Just a little bit, not too much. Okay, so this is starch. I would say, I don't know, a spoonful. Yeah, a spoonful definitely. That makes it a little bit softer, I believe. I don't know. Yeah, so I'm going to add 1 more. Here we go. Okay, every time I make this, I remember her. Yeah. She died when she was 97 years old. Okay, it does cook very fast. Just gonna add 1 more because we said 2 cup, right? And so milk, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of water, and 2 cups of flour. Okay, you will smell the cook of the flour. You will notice that right away. Just gonna add a little bit more because I think my first one wasn't full. Yeah. So I'm gonna move to a spoon. I bought a steel spoon like this. It was the same. Oh, she said that is great to make zürbiye. To stir it, right? Because you need that. Yeah, see, you can see the dough becoming. So I did turn the heat to low. Maybe I'll just shut it because the heat is, yeah, you can smell it. You will smell the aroma. Rest in peace, Grandma. will see the dough is cooking. Okay, now I am going to add the eggs. So 2 eggs. My eggs are very bad. See, look how light they are. Okay, here we go. So the eggs will cook with the dough's heat. So keep on stirring. And then later on we're going to shape these. And then we're going to fry them. I don't want to fry them, but yeah, I don't like frying, but for this dessert, this is a dessert, so we need to fry them. Okay, so keep on stirring and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I emptied it here. I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil. I would say 4 tablespoons. Okay, and I'm going to use my hands just like this. Oh, it's still hot. Yeah, hot, hot, hot. So 4 tablespoons, yeah. 4 or 5 maybe, I'm not quite sure. Not too much. Not too much. Oh, it's still hot. Just like this. Okay, so this is ready. So we're going to shape this. You can shape it any way you want, but I will do the way that my grandmother used to do. So just grab a little. You will feel it. You will. It has to be a soft dough. Okay. And then it will be, because of the olive oil, it will give you that, oops, this is about to break. It will give you that nice, nice shine look. This is not good at all. Let me try one more time. Okay. So the more you make this, the better you will become. I don't make it because it's sweet, right? It's a dessert. And I try to stay away from sweets because it's not good for us, right? But I'm not going to boil sugar water, sherbet. I'm just going to sprinkle. That's how she used to do. She would just sprinkle sugar on, she would do that even on bread. Rest in peace, Grandma Nuriye Alpcetinin. Yeah, and then, here we go. This is way better. See? She would call this is what we're going to make. She would say, come on, come help me. Come help me. Let's go into the kitchen. And I would help her. Yeah, we would have lots of company come and visit because she would pray. And everyone knew her in the area, especially friends and relatives, right? So she would put them in a dish, like 2-3 pieces. Here's another one. Because I will continue making and I'll be right back. This is going to take me a while. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit of oil, olive oil again. If you live in Canada, I would highly recommend this brand. It's just pure, it tastes like home. Gemlik, Umurbey olive oil. That's how it tastes like. I really like this. Okay, so I am going to I just put a little bit, the way that my grandmother used to fry it, with lots of oil, but because of due to health issues, I have to be more cautious, right? Okay, I'm just waiting it to turn red. Well, this is olive oil. So I'm going to put the Zürbiyes. Yeah, it's not ready yet. Okay, I turned off the light off because it was too shining towards, and I couldn't see. So I'm just making a little bit, like I said. I just had to share this before I forget it, right? Here's another one. The shape is not good. Gonna see. Oh my goodness, I couldn't turn it. Took me a while. I want to try it on my air fryer and see how that would work. You know what I should, yeah, instead of this olive oil, well, there is a bit of olive oil. Okay. Ta-da! Zürbiye Tatlısı, dessert of Zürbiye. That's the name of it. And this is how my grandmother taught me how to make it. And she would just sprinkle sugar to give it the sweet. Like I said, you can also boil water and sugar, but it's too sweet for us. And trying to stay away from sugar. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. I just had to share it before I forget it, right? Where I'm getting old. And yeah, so try it. But I would like to try it on my air fry and see how that would go. Let me just taste it. Look at it, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Oh, this part is a little bit too it will just melt in your mouth. Fantastic. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something for you to watch. You can also bake this, yeah. So I'm going to try it on air fry and I will pin it and how it turned out. Yeah. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.